Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I am at a Best Western in Dallas, Texas. We're doing an electric car road trip right over here. Three of us are driving in this Tesla Model S. I started off in Wisconsin, met up with these guys in Chicago, and we've been on the road since then. And we're gonna get to Austin today for the fully charged live event. But I just wanted to show you kind of some typical charging at hotels. So although we've been using the supercharging system, which has been great, one of the other YouTube videos somebody said, hey, isn't that inconvenient? And no, it's really not at all. You stop for maybe half an hour. It's always at a place with bathrooms and food and everything like that. So it, maybe stopping a little bit more frequently, but other than that, it really hasn't been inconvenient at all. But at the end of the day, you gotta have a place to stay, and you need to charge where you are, and that's where destination charging comes in. So right behind us here, we've got a couple of these Tesla charging stations, EVSEs. They're nice and clearly marked. These are rated for up to 80 amps, and you just plug in. There's no metering or anything like that. It is a feature of the hotel. It's, a reason to get you to stay at their hotel instead of some other one. And they're easy to find too. My favorite way of doing it is with PlugShare. PlugShare is a great little app. Just pull out your phone and you can find great places to stay overnight and charge your electric car while you're there. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, aha, but I don't have a Tesla. I can't use these. I'm driving a Chevy Bolt or some other electric vehicle. Well, that's okay. They're not always well marked though. Like if we look at this one right here, says Tesla vehicle charging, right? But if we go behind it on this exact same post, here is a nice 40 amp Clipper Creek unit right here. So with that, of course, you can charge up your Chevy Bolt, Chevy Volt, whatever it is that you happen to be driving. So we're gonna hop back in the car and hit the road. And next time you see me, I should be in Austin, Texas. Until next time, stay charged up.